Inheritance tax is a sensitive subject and one that you should be considering and thinking about even through the early stages of your lifetime. Your early years are deemed your accumulation phase, as this is where you will see the majority of your wealth building. IHT can be due on an individual's estate when they die if their estate is valued at more than their available nil rate band. Your nil rate band is reduced by any non-exempt transactions made in the 7 years prior to death. A range of IHT exemptions are available to reduce your IHT liability. I'm going to discuss the benefits and drawbacks of trust planning. A trust is a way of managing assets, money, investments, land or buildings for people. There are different types of trusts and each are taxed differently. Gifting to a trust has a tapering allowance against IHT, demonstrated by the following decreasing basis. 3 to 4 years, 20%, 4 to 5 years, 40%, 5 to 6 years, 60%, and 6 to 7 years, 80%. 7 years plus is 100% free of IHT. I will now move on to discussing more tailored uses of trusts and allowances. The first of these methods is gifting outside of normal expenditure. With this method, you would regularly and continuously use excess income to gift. There is no 7-year clock, and all assets gifted are outside of your expenditure are considered immediately outside of your estate. This option only allows for regular gifts to be made when they are from income, and the value transferred leaves you with sufficient income to maintain your usual standard of living. It is particularly appropriate for high-earning individuals who can afford to gift a larger amount on a regular basis. Positives: there is no need for a lump sum to be gifted away. This is a progressive method of IHT mitigation and the money gifted is immediately outside of your estate. Negatives: control of the money is lost. Another key strategy is to utilise the individual annual exemption. The first $3,000 of an individual gift in any tax year is immediately exempt from IHT. The exemption can apply to transfers into trust as well as outright gifts. The exemption can cover a single gift or several gifts up to this amount. It can also cover the first part of a larger gift. Once the current tax year's annual exemption has been used, it's possible to bring forward any unused annual exemption from the previous tax year. Positives: it's an effective and efficient way of utilising an annual allowance. Negatives: it's limited to £3,000 per year. If you would like to discuss any of the topics I have just mentioned, then please get in contact or book your seat to one of our seminars.